What happened when Bhai Mardana ji was denied water? What was Guru Nanak Dev Ji's response? And how did a boulder turn into a secret relic bearing the mark of divinity? Stay with us as we unfold this miraculous Sakhi of Panja Sahib. The Sakhi of Panja Sahib, Guru Nanak Dev Ji's divine power and compassion. On their return journey from Makkah, Guru Nanak Dev Ji and Bhai Mardana Ji reached Hassan Abdal, now in Pakistan, a place where today Gurdwara Panja Sahib stands in all its grace. As they settled there, Bhai Mardana Ji felt extremely thirsty and asked Guru Nanak Dev Ji for permission to find water. Guru Nanak Dev Ji replied, Bhai Mardana, there is a great shortage of water here. The locals struggle to get even a drop. On the top of this hill lives a fakir named Wali Kandhari. There is a fresh water spring at his place, but he refuses to share it with others. Perhaps, as a traveler, he may take a pity on you and allow you to drink from his spring. With Guru Nanak Dev Ji's permission, Bhai Mardana climbed the hill and humbly requested Wali Kandhari for some water. Wali Kandhari arrogantly replied, This water is for me. If I give to others, my spring will dry up. Bhai Mardana Ji pleaded again, explaining that he was a stranger with no other source of water, but Wali Kandhari remained firm in his refusal. Disappointed, Bhai Mardana Ji returned to Guru Nanak Dev Ji and narrated the incident. Guru Nanak Dev Ji gently said to Bhai Mardana, Go back and tell him that those who walk the path of God should not be selfish. Whatever blessings one receives from the divine should be shared with others, for that is what truly pleases God. Bhai Mardana Ji once again climbed the hill and conveyed Guru Nanak Dev Ji's message to Wali Kandhari. But instead of understanding the wisdom, Wali Kandhari laughed mockingly and said, You are a Muslim and a believer of Allah. Why do you roam with an infidel? If your Guru has any power, why doesn't he provide you with water himself? Why send you to me again and again? Hearing these words, Bhai Mardana Ji returned to Guru Nanak Dev Ji, feeling disheartened. Guru Nanak Dev Ji comforted Bhai Mardana Ji and said, Bhai Mardana, whatever God does, he does it right. Rise, do not lose heart. Remove that stone from its place. With faith in Guru Nanak Dev Ji's words, Bhai Mardana Ji moved a stone aside. At that very moment, a fresh stream of pure water gushed out from the ground. Overwhelmed with joy, Bhai Mardana Ji thanked God and quenched his thirst. Meanwhile, Wali Kandhari, who was watching from the hilltop, was shocked to see that his own spring running dry, while a new one has emerged below where Guru Nanak Dev Ji was sitting. Furious with rage, he thought, Who is this man that has challenged my power? I will put an end to this. In his anger, Wali Kandhari pushed a massive boulder down the hill in an attempt to crush Guru Nanak Dev Ji and Bhai Mardana. But as the giant rock came rolling down with great force, Guru Nanak Dev Ji calmly extended his right hand and stopped the boulder effortlessly. The moment Guru Nanak Dev Ji's hand touches the rock, it softens like wax, and his handprint gets imprinted into the stone forever. The very rock meant to harm Guru Nanak Dev Ji instead became a testimony of his divine power. Witnessing this miracle event, Wali Kandhari's pride shattered instantly. He realized his mistake, rushed down the hill, and fell at Guru Nanak Dev Ji's feet. With deep regret, Wali Kandhari pleaded, Forgive me, O Holy One. I was blinded by my ego and thought this water belonged to me. Guru Nanak Dev Ji, with infinite compassion, replied, Wali Kandhari, one should never be proud of the gifts given by God. He can take them away at His will, just as He has taken the water from you today. Hearing these words, Vali Kandhari bowed down and accepted Guru Nanak Dev Ji's divine wisdom. The rock that bore Guru Nanak Dev Ji's handprint remains at that very place to this day. A magnificent Gurdwara, Panja Sahib, was later built in Hassan Abdal, now in Pakistan, to commemorate this divine incident. Guru Nanak Dev Ji showed that God's gifts are meant to be shared, not hoarded. Those who are blessed must help others, for that is what truly pleases the divine. Even today, pilgrims visit this sacred site to see the handprint of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, which remains a symbol of truth, humility, and divine power.